It could be that you've found cracks in your basement wall and you're researching solutions. You spent time in your basement and you don't want your basement to look unsightly. Stay tuned to hear what can be done to finish out your basement wall after carbon fiber straps. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Carbon fiber straps may be necessary to repair cracks in your foundation. In this video, I'll explain the process of installing carbon fiber straps, what it will look like after installation, and how can it finish the basement wall. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Carbon fiber straps are usually the easiest and quickest to install of any of the bowing wall repairs that we offer at AccuLevel. The first step that we're going to do is actually grind down the surface of that wall where the strap's going to be applied. So that's usually about 4 inches wide every 2 to 4 feet. And we're going to just clean up that wall so we get that true concrete through, get rid of that paint. Then we're going to take the strap and actually epoxy and glue it to the wall. And the third step is attaching the sill plate anchor and the bottom plate. So we call these the neckties, where it attaches to either your sill plate or your bandboard at the top to keep the wall from leaning, and then gluing or epoxying the bottom solid carbon fiber plate at the bottom to keep the wall from shearing. Our epoxy that we use on straps now are gray, and so what you're going to see is in these 4-inch wide strips a solid gray epoxy. The strap and the epoxy usually stays away from the wall or sticks out about 1/2 inch total. And then you're going to see a yellow Kevlar necktie at the top with your ICC number that identifies the strap to the code that they're warranted under, as well as a solid black plate at the bottom sticking up approximately 6 to 12 inches from your floor. So like I said, the epoxy that we use is a gray epoxy, so it's not going to stick out like a sore thumb. But a lot of times walls are painted white, gray, or any other color over those blocks to kind of make the basement be kind of halfway finished. So once we're done, what you'll find is a small plastic film over the face of the straps. You could peel that strap off, take a very light sandpaper, and just give that epoxy a little bit of texture. Once that's done, you can actually paint directly over those carbon fiber straps to match the rest of your wall, therefore kind of making them hard to find if you don't know what you're looking for. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage acculevel.com and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about finishing over your carbon fiber straps? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.